हेलो मयूरी फैमिली, कैसे हो आप सब। आज मैं आपके लेकर आई हूँ मेरा बेडरूम टूर। और मैंने कुछ स्पेशल नहीं करा है, बस हाँ ये मैं अंदर रखती हूँ, मैंने बाहर रखा है ताकि अच्छा लगे। तो मेरे को अभी भी बोल रहे थे ये तेरे बाहर कैसे रख दिया, तू तो अंदर रखती है। मैंने कहा हाँ मैं जरा टूर ले रही हूँ इसलिए। एनीवे, तो चलिए बेडरूम टूर स्टार्ट करते हैं। वेलकम टू माई बेडरूम टूर। सो जब हम एंटर करते हैं रूम में तो इस तरह से लगता है। वो मेरी वैनिटी है, मैंने छोटा सा एक कॉर्नर बनाया है अपना रेडी होने के लिए, और उसका भी मैं छोटा सा टूर दूंगी अभी। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हेयर। सो दिस इज़ द क्लोजेट। हाय, दिस इज़ द क्लोजेट। सो दिस इज़ द हिज एंड हर क्लोजेट। सो यहाँ अंकुर के सारे कपड़े मैं सेट रखती हूँ और वहाँ पर अपने, और ये अंकुर की साइड है एंड दैट वन इज़ माई साइड। तो ये आपको ड्रॉर थोड़ा मैसी लगेगा तो मैं ड्रॉर्स ओपन करके नहीं दिखा रही हूँ, बट या दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स। द साइड टेबल इज़ फ्रॉम आई डोंट रिमेंबर, kingfuton.com कुछ वेबसाइट है, तो मैंने वहाँ से साइड टेबल लिया था। इट्स बीन 2 years और बहुत अच्छा निकला है ये साइड टेबल। सो दिस इज़ अ ग्लास साइड टेबल, इट मैचेस परफेक्टली विथ माई किंग साइज बेड। द बेड इज़ फ्रॉम Amazon. The bed is like 3 years old. This glass lamp, this is from Home Goods, my favorite go-to shop. Everybody in US knows Home Goods. This is not a fake plant, this is a real plant. And this planter is from Target, in case you're wondering, and it's still available. Like this planter is just like 2 weeks old. So yeah, so that's how Ankur's side look. That's his water bottle. We always keep one water bottle, like Aryan also has one water bottle in his bedroom. And this bed sheet, I've shown this bed sheet in one of my haul videos, and this is from Ross, and it was very cheap. Hardly, I don't remember, like $20. That's it. So yeah, this is how it looks. This comforter, I think it's from Macy's and it's pretty old. I think it's like 4 years old. I got it from Macy's. The mattress is from IKEA. So we are done with one side. Let's move on. And this is my small vanity area. This is just a makeshift like time pass stool that I sit on, and this was actually this table was in my living room, so I converted into my small vanity area. I thought, why to invest in a bigger vanity? And you know, as usual, the room is not that big, so this is perfect for me. This mirror, to be honest, I don't use this mirror. This is just for a background when I shoot videos here. So I basically shoot my videos here, and this is how my vanity looks. Yeah, I can show you a little bit sneak peek what's in my vanity, or should I say what's on my vanity, because there are no drawers. So if you guys are wondering, this table is again from Home Goods. It's like 2 years old. I got it for like $250. This table is pretty heavy. I'm planning to paint it in black color. Let me know if you guys think it's a good color choice. So this is from Home Goods. This one is again from Home Goods. So this is how I keep my vanity pretty neat and tidy. This is my jewelry box. I keep all my artificial and gold jewelry in here. These are my sunglasses. Both are from Gucci. This one is pretty new. I'll show you guys in my another video, not in this one. So this one is I got like 2 days ago. So this one is new. This one is my old Gucci glass. And this is a ring light. I use it to take snaps. So I got it from Amazon. See, it's pretty cool. See, it has 3 modes and it's chargeable. So yeah, that's my Apple Watch. I keep some perfume, some Clinique night cream, little bit of makeup here. Main makeup is in the drawer. So these are like everyday essentials that I use. This lamp, I think from Home Goods. It's a pretty heavy lamp, very heavy. It's completely metal. I like it while I'm doing makeup, so I keep it on. And this mirror, in case you guys are wondering, see, this is how it looks. Perfect for doing makeups, especially at night. It has again 3 modes and it's rechargeable. And this one you can like take it off, and this one is magnetic. Like this one is 5x zoom. So yeah, I got it from Amazon a while ago. I think it's been like a month. So yeah, this is from Amazon. This one is pretty cheap, like $30 I guess, and this one is really good. So yeah, this is how my little vanity corner look. I usually don't use the lamp and the mirror that much. If I'm doing makeup in night, of course I'll turn them on, but during the daytime the light which comes from the window is pretty good. So let's move on to my corner. So this is what my side looks like. I keep this stroll with me because I have some migraine issues, so at night if I feel a little colder on my head, I use this, otherwise I don't use it. But yeah, for safety sake I keep it there. These are some of my books I'm still working on. I'm just halfway through these 2 books. I read them during the night, especially in those days when I don't feel like, I know that I'm not gonna get good night's sleep. So I read those and I really get good night's sleep. Again, the same lamp that we saw, I got it in pair. This lamp again from Home Goods, the same. I think this one was $50 each because this is completely glass lamp. So yeah, this one was heavy. And the side table is again the same. And on my side table, I keep one water bottle, I keep my perfume, and I keep one night cream. Happiness. So this is my side table. This is how it looks. That's the attached bathroom. This is a chair. This one is from Versailles. This was used to be a set with a couch. Like the other chair is in my living room. So this one I kept here while, like, in the evening or in the night while editing, I need a comfy place and I don't feel like sitting in the living room, so I sit on that. There are no curtains in this apartment because we are not allowed to like hang curtains, so we cannot do any drill. So that's why this is how it is. Pretty basic. I don't hang too much paintings. I like to keep my walls bare because it helps me fall asleep. Me and my husband, we both don't like too much paintings and stuff going on. So there it is. I really hope you guys like my room tour. If you want a kids room tour, even if you don't want, I'm gonna shoot it one day for sure, very soon. And yeah, everything I told you from where I got, pretty old. Nothing is new except from my vanity mirror, that one, the round one, that one is new. Apart from that, all my furniture, everything is like 2 or 3 years old. Yeah, I love to change furniture. So yeah, this is it. I really hope you guys like it. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and comment below if you like this video or if you like these kind of videos. Please comment below. I'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed.